So this is the dessert counter at China Bistro, and it's a bit awkward to do recordings in public, but this is how it looks. This is the top favorites of the floor, and this is how it looks. This is Thai green curry, and it's beautiful really, and this is how the rest of the restaurant looks. This is where we were sitting, but it is always awkward to do recording in public, and brownie and caramel custard with egg, and so this is how it looks. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.